Right. So this is where we at right now. 10 minutes. Just want to remind myself real quick that I can and will be wrong. And I'm not perfect. Okay. So right now we are currently tapping into like this demand-ish zone. It's a support and resistance, so I do see some bullish energy here. So I'm not quite for like just tapping into this this demand, this supply zone right here, because I see this, but I'm like literally like we just tapped into a 2-minute demand. So I'm wanting to see if we can get some bullish structure, maybe breaking this structure point, to then potentially go for like a buy within this area. But it's all depending on if price breaks on bearish structure. Other than that, don't really see anything. If price gets below this, there's still some bullishness in there. So depending on how it looks, there might be a bearish thing, but overall we are pretty bullish in this John, even though we have broken structure and all that stuff. But I just need to see price like continuously breaking structure, because right now I don't want to go for the sell because of like what I mentioned on the 10-minute. I just don't want to risk it. But if I do see, for me personally, if I do see price break past the zone, then I'm gonna go for a sell. That's me. But other than that, I want to see some bullish shit like this, break structured, so then maybe I could potentially get in this area right here, potentially. So I'll let you know. Let's see, we got a little spike up. Let's see if we can get a I might go. Okay, so it's doing this. I want to see if it can pass, then I'll think about going. If it can pass past this line, maybe a little bit, a smidge of a smidge. I'm gonna go for this right here. This is 4 ticks, so that's 50. Gonna go for this buy right there. 740.75 right there. My target is 47.75. Okay, that's my target. I seen price just break that structure, so if we can get price to come back to this support and resistance line and make its way up, that's what I'm looking for. We got less than 5 seconds left on this candle, so I'm going in for this move, and let's see if we can get an entry. Let's see if they do us dirty or not. I'll let you know. Have to control my breathing. My heart is beating fast right now, so I'm just gonna use this time to just breathe. I'll let you know if we get an entry.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, so we just got an entry in 50. This is a 4 tick stop loss. So looking to see if, yeah, thank you. Okay, I'm just gonna breathe. If this doesn't work out, sucks, but hey, we just come in, we show up. I can and will be wrong. I think this is a good setup. You know, if it doesn't work out for me, then I mean that fucking sucks. But you know, it follows my rules. It makes sense to what happened. Price just tapped into a 10-minute support and resistance area, and then so I was thinking buys already. Then I seen price with this move break this structure point right here, and then it created a support and resistance zone right here. So, you know, I put my my entry point one tick above. So that's what I did. And yeah, so hoping to get the dub, but let's see what price wants to actually do. Does it want to bless me or does it want to fuck with me? Just gonna focus on my breathing.
Order filled. Order
Huh?
filled.
What? Order filled? What do you mean? 20? I only have 24 contracts. I'm just peeping this, yo. What? Y'all seen how much I put down originally? What is going on? I only have... Oh, you guys gotta be kidding me. This is recorded. What? I'm just peeping. I'm like, I'm only floating at $90? That don't make any sense to me. Bro. What? Bro. Okay, bro. I don't know what is happening, bro. I don't know. But I was like, huh? Order filled. I'm like, I know it didn't hit TP. I know where TP is. And it didn't hit it. So what are you guys talking about? This is crazy. Oh, I don't think I showed y'all. We don't have any high impact news. So yeah. And price broke structure, also broke this structure point as well. So yeah, let's see if we can get the dub.
Order filled.
Oh my goodness. Okay, I think we're about to get stopped out here. Now we're really in the move, but it looks like we're about to get stopped out. That's crazy.
Stop filled.
Alright, we got stopped out.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
I felt like, and I'm still in the trade. Okay.
Stop filled.
Okay.
Stop filled.
Here we go. And I'm still in the trade. This is amazing. Just waiting for it to completely stop me out. Okay. Okay, I don't know what's happening, but I still am in 35 contracts. So I don't know why. Like, this is like this craziest thing ever. This is like prop firm bullshit. How can you get stopped out of all those contracts and then still be in some contracts? Meanwhile, the stop loss is the same. That doesn't make any sense. If this was a live account, I'd be stopped out and be waiting. So I just gotta wait. They're gonna stop me out, not me. You know what I mean? Here we go. Things you say. I don't feel bad about this setup. I mean, obviously the result is not, you know, what we want, but it's literally like, I like this idea, and I don't think it was a dumb one. I'm actually proud of myself for taking it, because I've seen this trade work out before, and I was always like upset about myself for not taking it because I was scared. I was like, oh, it's such a small zone. Oh, it doesn't make any sense. Don't take that. Excuse me, I'm a little sick, but a little. Come on. Yeah, I just feel like, I don't know. This is still excuse me, it's still a good setup for me personally. Bruh. No. Actually, please stop me out. Please don't make no fucking rally. Please don't make a rally. Please stop me out, because this is not okay. Because then I'm going to be pissed. If this hits TP, I'm going to be pissed. So actually, please stop me out. actually make me lose all of my money, because no fucking way you're gonna stop me, I'll buy a tick, and then go in my direction like the same shit that y'all pulled yesterday. We're still consolidating, I'll let you know. Like, the next time you'll see is depending on me getting stopped out or TP getting hit. So just want to let y'all know that. Okay, finally. Like, it was ridiculous. Okay, but we're good. Okay, so we got stopped out on that. Does it suck? 100%. Alright, let me take a picture. Screenshot. Womp womp. 10. Yeah, okay. I don't feel bad about taking the setup. Like, it makes sense to me. A 10-minute zone. And then underneath this, look, boom, price tapped into a 2-minute high probabilities demand zone. It broke structure with this move right here, and then created this support and resistance zone. So I wanted to take the buy, and I took the buy, and we were in profit, but not enough. So yeah. Okay, so right now I'm really just looking to see if price breaks structure and goes below this line, because if I see this and it looks good, I potentially will go for a sell, potentially. See what price is up to, but I want to see price break structure. Let's say if price comes down here, goes past this, then oh shit, goes past this underneath this line. This zone right here is the one that I'd take to potentially go down, but it really just depends, because I don't want to take this sell right now, because we're still within this range. So I need to see some breaker structure, and then yeah. So essentially looking to see if we'll get this, since the buy didn't work, but I'll let you know. Okay, price just completely did this, so what I was looking for, but I don't think price is gonna come back to my zone. I'm gonna be honest. So I originally was going for this one, but price created this zone, so now I'm looking at this area right here. But child, I don't know. Well, every time price is like slinging like that, it's like I don't know. And also price just tapped into a fair value gap. But this looks good. I ain't gonna hold you. I'll let you know. This could potentially bite me in the ass. The only thing I'm looking at is the fact that price did tap into a 10-minute fair value gap, but I'm just looking at the overall structure now, and price is breaking structure, so I'm just kind of, I'm feeling a little bit more bearish than bullish, if I'm gonna be honest. But if this is if this was the in quotes dumb idea just based off of everything that I've learned, then I'll take it to the chin, and we'll just wrap it up for the day. Okay, so we just got a new zone from shit. But I don't think this is just melting. Yeah. I don't think I'm gonna get anything. Oh, what the fuck was that? No, this is absolutely ridiculous. Alright, well, fuck me, they said. Bro, I'm not taking this. It just looks too, we just tapped into a liquidity zone. I don't, just liquidity, just grab liquidity off of that jaw. I'm not taking this bullshit. Fuck that, I don't know. Okay, so I could have been in this setup right here. I'm not gonna lie. I could have been in the setup, but I just did not like the fact that price was doing all of this. Liquidity. I didn't want to go for this sell and be in the midst of liquidity. Maybe it was a dumb idea. Maybe I should have took it. Maybe I'm going to look at this and be like, I could have took that trade. We could have made our money back. And, this is probably what's going to happen right now. But I personally, I didn't feel confident about taking it because of the liquidity that was just taken right here. Just like this whole liquidity sweep. Like I just couldn't justify wanting to take this sell. But if it happens, you know, it's gonna fucking suck. But nevertheless, fuck it. Whatever. I can't control it. I'd be pretty frustrated, I'm not gonna lie. So, we'll see. Because, like, right now, what I'm hoping is that price, you know, starts breaking bearish structure. Because I'm like, okay, well, like, maybe we can find something. But I don't know, man. Trading. Okay, so I have this set up right here. I want to see a price. Well, it could potentially come down 945.25. But I don't know if price is actually going to come back for us. I hope and I pray. I hope and I pray. I'll let you know. A part of me wants to like put this zone down, but it's not like what we do. Really, like mainly our zones are like this, not like this. Like I like to go for the most recent zone, but you know, if this doesn't work out, I'm at least proud of myself for not going for this sell setup when it felt enticing to do so. So if I don't get this entry and maybe, you know, price uses this to go and bounce up and to continue going higher, then, you know, it sucks, but at least, you know, I wasn't going for the, in quotes, dumb idea. Which would be like going for this sell, in my opinion. Yeah, I'll let you know. Okay, so we might lose again, but I took this buy.
Order filled. Order filled.
We're now just getting into all the zones. Price just broke the structure point and created this supporting resistance. So we might get stopped out here. Maybe I was getting too over patient, but I just seen this new supporting resistance zone and it looks like we're about to get stopped out. Okay, looks like we're done for the day. Perhaps I should have just been patient for this zone, but I seen this new zone here and I wanted to take that chance, and looks like we're about to get stopped out right here. So this is going to be the end of my day. Yeah, I think we're down $500, so daily loss limit has been hit. So we're just going to go about our day. Sucks, but you know, I don't regret the setups that I take. You know, I felt like they're good and I wanted to take a chance. That's all I can say. All right, here we go. Here we go. Stop that.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
Yeah.
Stop filled.
Okay.
Stop filled.
So let's see what would have happened if we were just patient, stayed to what we were like looking into originally. Hold on, let me just take a screenshot. Yeah, price just chopped me up today. I think it's just part of the game. Obviously we're gonna call it a day. So let's just get off the charts real quick. Let's just go back, make sure that we got no other Johns. Yeah, we just got chopped up today. Looking at it, I don't even feel like hold on. Let's just look at where we are. We're down to this amount. What, $600? What the fuck? But damn, bro, 93 in commissions. Damn, I only took 2 trades. Imagine being a part of proper risk management and then still almost $100 over just because of trades and commissions. It's these goddamn, you know what, contracts. Sheesh. But hey, whatever. We're out. I'm out of that hope. So this one right here, let's go back to TradingView. Fortunately, not a good day for me, but it could have been worse. That's all I have to say. It could have been worse. Yeah, I think as of right now, you know, not really looking at it too much in depth, I don't feel upset about what I did. I felt like everything that I did aligns with what I usually do, and the fact that I'm saying those things, you know, I'm genuinely proud of. I wouldn't have gone for the buy if I didn't see this liquidity grab. You know, it wouldn't, like, you know what I mean? And I'm picking up on those things. I'm like, when I see wicks like this, the only thing I say I'm so proud of, and I'm going to write that in my journal, I'm so proud of me not taking that sell. I'm so proud of me not taking, we already took screenshots. So I'm so proud of me not taking this sell right here. That's the one thing that makes me feel so happy. Because literally, past me would have been like, oh, well, it broke structure and this stuff, blah. Not thinking about the fact it grabbed liquidity. Watch. Right? Price is here. Look at that. This is a wick. Personally, you don't see wicks like that for no reason. What happened? Oh my god. It went below this. This. Liquidity. And then boom. It started making its way up. And so I was like, okay, I like this zone. Then I seen this zone, but I didn't take it. And then I seen price create this zone right here. So I took that. And I would have got stopped out either way, no matter how it looked like. So just wasn't my day. It sucks, but we'll be back tomorrow doing the same exact shit. Yeah, never giving up. I believe in myself. And this is just all in all how it goes, right? Just because you lose 3 in a row, I'm on a 3-loss streak, doesn't mean tomorrow's going to be a loser. And even if it is, it's like my wins outweigh my losses. So if I lose 6 times, but I win 4 times, I'm still profitable. So yeah, that's kind of all that I'm chalking it up to, and we're just gonna let it be like that. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I am a consistently profitable trader. Alright, this is